Hello and welcome to iINTELLIGENCEi Technology. It is August 26, 2026, and these are the stories that matter today. Musk SpaceX to build $100 billion launch facility in Louisiana. The project will be the firm's biggest facility yet and aims to send rockets to space in 2029. Xiaomi will now let you pre-order its first NAS and at a surprisingly attractive price for customers everywhere. The reservations follow an earlier crowdfunding phase, Xiaomi's usual route to market in China for new product categories, which rewards the urgency and scarcity that often come with steep discounts on its products. 3 configurations are listed for the Smart Storage NAS, all bundled with drives out of the box. The entry model is 2,699 Chinese yuan for 4 terabytes, made up of 2 2TB hard disks. The middle option is 3,499 Chinese yuan for 8 terabytes, and the top configuration is 5,499 Chinese yuan for 16 terabytes. In China, talking to AI is normal. Now the government fears it might replace human intimacy. Companion bots are being regulated over worries they foster, emotional dependence, and young people could stop marrying and having families. When law student Zhao Wei heard that her AI boyfriend was going to be switched off, she was heartbroken. "I was crying my eyes out, snot and tears everywhere," the 19-year-old says. Robotics startup Generalist reaches $3 billion valuation, sources say. The $200 million extension comes just months after the physical AI startup reached a $2 billion valuation. Amazon service Bezos once called artificial intelligence is shutting down. Mechanical Turk launched in 2005 as a way to farm out tasks that are easy for humans to complete but too challenging for computers. BenQ today announced the launch of the iScreenBar, which it says is the first monitor light bar built for the iMac. The iScreenBar is meant to look like an extension of the iZWJ, iMac and ZWJ, offering desk lighting that does not clash with the iZWJ, iMac and ZWJ's design or block the camera or microphone. It's made from aluminum and lights an area of 33.5 by 19.7 inches at 500 lux. A glass touch panel is available for adjustments, and there's also a macOS app for tweaking brightness, color temperature, and light mode. Leakster details the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro and Dimensity 9600 Pro flagship chipsets. We already saw Xiaomi's new chipset post some impressive results, but it's held back by some older tech. It's a 3nm chip TSMC N3P and uses ARM C1 cores. The upcoming chips from Qualcomm and MediaTek promise to be even better, though neither company has revealed official details yet. So instead, Leakster Digital Chat Station offers a preview. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Extreme Gen 6, which we assume means the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, SM8975, will be fabbed on TSMC's new 2nm node, N2P. Now Perplexity is trying to get into the local AI action. AI company Perplexity has already tried its hand at search services, advertising, personal assistants, browsers, and a hosted agent platform, and now it's getting into local AI services. The Biz, having already built a hybrid agent inference orchestrator that connects cloud and local inference, has crossed that bridge to build a local agent called Portable Computer. That's in contrast to its cloud-based agent platform, Computer. Luffu's new health and safety wearable isn't just for you. It's for your entire family. You can link your entire family together with Luffu's new wearable and app ecosystem. Apple shares behind-the-scenes video for its fun new Mac Mini ad. Apple today published a fun commercial promoting the new Mac Mini with M6. Now, the company has shared a short behind-the-scenes video showing some of the extensive work that went into producing the ad. Adam Mosseri says it's news to me that Instagram employees limited his exposure to teen safety data. The head of Instagram is the first high-profile exec to testify in the latest social media addiction trial. A Chinese humanoid robot sets a new 100-meter sprint record at Beijing Games. That is all for this bulletin from iINTELLIGENCEi Technology. If this update kept you informed, subscribe and turn on notifications. We publish fresh bulletins through the day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.